Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study about the schemes related for entrepreneurship promotion of any bank. Okay, so let's start. First of all, introduction of my micro project. Loan scheme for entrepreneur. For the endeavoring entrepreneur who dreams of setting up an enterprise, the bank has a number of financial schemes. To service the industrial sector, the bank has industrial finance branches at Mumbai and Pune. SSI branches at Pune, Mumbai, Krishnanagar, Satara, Pirman, Gujarat, Satpur, Nashik, and IE Thane. Finance can also be availed at any other branch of the bank. The bank finances the industrial sector for setting up a unit of modernization, diversification, upgradation, expansion. What are the aims of our project? So first is to study scheme for entrepreneurship promotion, and second one is to select best scheme for entrepreneurship promotion. Literature review. Bank of Maharashtra Service Manual and official website of Bank of Maharashtra. We refer these two things for making our project. Next, brief description. National Equity Fund Scheme, which is good for entrepreneurship promotion. The objective of NEF scheme, that is National Equity Fund Scheme, is to provide equity type support to entrepreneurs for setting up new projects in tiny or small scale sectors, for undertaking expansion, modernization, technology upgradation, and diversification by existing tiny SSI and service entrepreneurs, and for rehabilitation of viable SIC units in the SSI sector, which fulfill the specified eligibility criteria irrespective of location. Assistance from NEF helps the small scale units in strengthening their equity base and thereby improving their acceptability for term financing by primary lending institutions. So this is about National Equity Fund Scheme, which is used for promotion of entrepreneurship development. Next, actual procedure followed by me to study about this scheme. Okay, the process of apply scheme online. We can onlinely apply this scheme. The first is to go the official website, which is mentioned previous slide. Then fill the application form, insert documents related information and pictures wherever required. Then the scheme will apply after clicking on apply scheme button. Okay, so in this way we can apply scheme. Outputs of our project. First one is to understood about entrepreneurship promotion related schemes, to understood how to choose best schemes, to understood how to apply schemes online. Learning skill developed after doing this project. I understood about entrepreneurship promotion related schemes. I understood how to choose best schemes, and also I understood how to apply schemes online. Applications of my micro project is the information is useful for entrepreneurship promotion for the entrepreneur which are going to set up their business. Next one is the information is useful for entrepreneur for selecting and applying schemes. Area of future improvement. In future, the information is useful for entrepreneur to reduce time while applying schemes for financial purpose. Also, it is useful for small scale industries entrepreneurs for develop the industry, such as a small garage worker can develop the industry by using this scheme. Reference Bank of Maharashtra Service Manual and official website of Bank of Maharashtra. I refer that for preparing my project. Thank you so much for listening me.